Romanian deadlift, or RDL, also known as a straight leg deadlift. This exercise is particularly good for your lower back, glutes, core and upper hamstrings. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes and heels in line, grip the bar approximately a shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight and your head up. Bring the bar up to the standing position. Now lower the bar to just below the knees and drive up using your glutes. For beginners, practice this exercise with kettlebells, as this can be easier to grip. Lower slowly to just past the knees and then drive up explosively through the glutes. Make sure to engage your core.